Hello everyone, welcome to the Aosite channel. Today I'm going to take you into the Aosite factory and introduce our production system to you. Let's go! This is our R&D centers. So let's take a look at the product designs and development phases. At this stage, our team of designers and engineers communicate closely with customers to determine product specifications, materials, and process to ensure that products meet the customer requirements. We ensure a timely supply of reliable raw material with strict quality control. Now, let's go into the workshop and see the fully automatic manufacturing process. You can see a lot of advanced production equipment and process. We can efficiently produce high-quality hardware products, relying on highly intelligent precision manufacturing equipment. Efficiently and accurately complete the optimization of the production process and management standards, and greatly enhance production efficiency and production capacity. Quality control and inspection is a very important part of our production system. The testing center complies with European standard EN 1935 for finished product testing, ensuring 100% qualified products are delivered to customers. In the packaging and labeling process, we pay attention to the product protections and enhancement of the brand image. After completing the productions, we ensure that products are delivered to customers on time by logistics and guarantee the safe delivery of our products. In terms of after-sales service, we attach great importance to our customer feedbacks and solve problems in a timely and effective manner. We attach great importance to the training of worker skills and upgrading their skill levels to improve the problems arising from manufacturing. If you need any home hardware products, welcome to contact us. Aosite will be very happy to provide you professional service and support.